To enable and use notifications history in Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, you'll need to open settings on your device. Next step is to find the notifications right here, and then we can go to the advanced settings. When you enter it, you can select notifications history on the top and then enable it. Probably first time if you enable it, you won't see anything right here, since after turning it on, it will start recording all of the notifications that you dismiss. So for example, if I have notifications right here and I dismiss this one, it should appear right here in the notifications history. So we can restart this option, and as you can see, this notification appears right there. So in case that you've dismiss notification that you didn't want to, you can always go here and check it out if your notification history was on when you did the dismiss thing. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.